All right, now we're going to put the extender trim around the inside of the window to go ahead and seal this off. And once the extender trim's on, we'll go ahead and we'll put some sealant around that. Make sure that no air is coming through and make sure it's finished off nice. Now with this extender trim, it has grooves in it that you can use for different measurements. And then to use it, all you have to do is take and bend it back on whichever groove you want to use, and then bend it a couple times, and it splits right apart. Now when you're using the extender trim on here, you have to go back and you have to make sure that you heat it up and use a roller on it so that you're getting 100% contact on the adhesive. By heating it up also, the adhesive will stick better to the window. Okay, now that we've got the extender trim on the window, we can go ahead, get it sealed up, and the inside will be about done.